Robotics continues to evolve, and the next natural step in this development is the use of AMR mobile robots in intralogistics processes. At KUKA, we address these needs by offering a wide range of AMRs. One of the first plants in Poland to implement KUKA AMRs is TPV Displays Poland. Having previously used standard 6-axis KUKA robots in its production processes, the company has now also automated its intralogistics by deploying 22 autonomous KMP 1500 mobile platforms in cooperation with SAICON. TPV Displays Poland is part of a Taiwanese corporation and has been operating in Poland for 18 years. We manufacture TV sets for the European market under our own brand Philips and for many other global brands. There are 3 main reasons why we are automating our factory. The first is a shortage of employees. The second is the need to relieve staff of heavy workloads. The third reason is economic, improving process efficiency and reducing operating costs. At TPV, we already use more than 46-axis KUKA robots, which we have successfully implemented over the past few years. The next step we wanted to take, and have now implemented together with KUKA, is an AMR project that automates the delivery of panels to the production lines. As SAICON, we were responsible for the integration, commissioning, and validation of the entire system. We integrated a fleet of 22 AMR robots with TPV's master systems and developed algorithms that control internal logistics. We also provided the IT infrastructure, including a server with dedicated software and storage with active backup, ensuring business continuity and rapid system recovery in the event of a failure. This was the first large-scale integration of a fleet of KUKA AMR robots in Europe, and it took place directly within a critical process, supplying 10 assembly lines. This carried significant responsibility, as any downtime could have halted production. For this reason, TPV entrusted the project to the Polish company SAICON, whose experience and expertise ensured its success. Today, the system operates reliably and serves as the foundation for the factory's efficiency, as well as a benchmark for future intralogistics implementations. TPV Displays Poland demonstrates that the future of intralogistics has already arrived. By implementing KUKA AMRs, the plant has not only gained greater flexibility and production stability, but also shown that AMR robots are a viable solution to the challenges of modern industry. At KUKA, we believe that automation is more than just technology. It is a development strategy. TPV is a prime example of this.
Making automation easier.